40.
Yeah, and the granny and the granduncle.
Everybody I see is a deja vu system.
Alright.
But them all got prison. Cause we done work out one over here already, so them all got prison. That me I try to tell us. So right now we need to start calling for the police because me don't understand why Jamaica police feel the need for all of these things and them no up in the front and center height. Me don't understand why I go on because them all seems to take the back seat. Them always take the back seat.
Yeah, man.
I know kind of disrespect still. I want to me really say still him. Cause you see the youth we start him hard work or them thing them. I want when people do them hard work, you know. I don't want the man then get done because I don't want the people then come and then start talk about if people them I make money and all them thing there. Cause you see for me if me lose my son and somebody I look for them, no matter how much them charge and how much them I make, as long as them I help me, I don't care how much them I make. I'm glad for pay them because when police I look for murder, police I forget pay. Everybody I forget pay. Everybody I forget live. So not
who
because
come from, well, 1 second, Speedy. Who come from Portland, Lana? There's someone from Portland here. Who from Portland? How am I gonna know who's someone from Portland?
String Bean. So them they chat there.
Oh.
Put them up.
Yes, String Bean. Come up now, String Bean.
Man, string being at my people. Them. So me, if she know me good, if she know what I go me good, me get all of the info them.
I really think you have to talk for that Speedy, because you know me over my life, me not even tell people send no gift right now, me just tell them top of the screen.
But bro, it no matter where you do, bro. It no matter where you do, once you do a job and you help someone and make people get at you, bro. It don't matter. All police where they out there work get paid every month, and if they don't get paid, then strike. Trust me. And they must have all serious strike.
String Bean, well on the speed. Where you going with? You hear me? String Bean.
Yes, String. Yeah, here. Oh, you should disconnect. I've got connect her back.
Yeah, so she come from Portland, and then me have one of my linky from Portland. I got say me can send out somebody tomorrow. Trust me, bro. And let me tell you something, alien. Big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself. Art of love, because you see, them thing where I say we don't want this to be no competition. We want them thing to be a movement.
General, what type of competition we could? Me general, if I want me general see in a real life. Me turn on my live and just start. If I kinds me I go look a different ball game. Me not can talk about this if I kinds me I go look. We can't when you come on to this, there is no competition, me general. Cause me alone can't do it.
Yeah, but we have you as the leader still, you know, alien brain.
Me I tell you no man say anywhere one of them man we come pop up man and go no ink and go no heads up and everything to man.
Yeah, that's why the first thing
me over here general, remember me over here watch live and me could just jump off if I saw a man where I pre. Me not have the intention me general. We they are putting with hard work to help this lady get some justice for her child, right?
Yeah, man.
That's
Man,
man. Bro.
Yeah, I mean I know ya. Yeah, I go through TikTok and me say, yo, this son is interested and what 2 days ago, so real me, yeah, man, it's sincere. Do what I do.
The school now me general man. Believe man. I tell me general. Even last night me touch a topic over there full, but me not touch it for too long cause it's Sunday. So me just sit over there and give a shout out to the mothers them and I tell them say, hey, yes, mama. Yes,
let me say something to you. Grand Rising is a new week. And in all of this, members if you take a break and take care of yourself, drink enough water, now make them enjoy your energy. Alien brain, what is the grandmother hiding?
Hold on there. And what I say people, I don't want me to get misunderstanding. Me I say, me not talk about just this little girl. Me I talk about the whole looking for the youth them is a mission. Me not just talk about that little girl. Me I talk about any children at all. Me I say, me want this become a mission. You understand? Not a competition. So me know you get it, misunderstanding. Me now said this case here, me I said when it comes to the youth them in overall. So we feel rise a mission. So
String being the back
a
the
sick
time.
woman in Jamaica get.
Me a mute my mic.
A sick woman get raped and killed, you know. A sick woman a Clarendon last week, you know. Poor woman just have operation. What day and somebody go in her house and tear up and rape her and stab her up.
Speedy, me can't elaborate on that, Speedy. Guess what me can't tell my brother? Let me tell you something, brother. We not trouble because guess what?
Speedy said grape next time, not that out.
watch me now, guys. But we try and hear where
Green bean.
Because we take her up in the box to hear where I go and find the thing and she come from Portland, so that's just stuff.
Yes, mama, talk, mama.
Hello?
Yeah, we are here.
String bean, I can't hear it. Look like our internet has a problem. Look like our internet now lower. String bean, if you can't hear me, close down your TikTok by your phone and shut it down and reopen it and come again. If you can't hear me. Shut your Father God.
You see, I don't know competition thing, but guess what? It hurt some people because guess what? A long time this happened to Jayden Smith. No, Chantel, like seriously. Chantel McLean. And guess what? You know why it hurt so much? Are the people them we're supposed to protect and nurture, we pick them and we elderly. And them hurt them. We not trouble. We in a trouble, brother. We not trouble, brother. We elder and we vulnerable people. Look at the woman who want to do to a woman. A old woman who couldn't be a grandmother whosoever do it. Look at the little girl now. What is the grandmother hiding? I remember say we all know from day one that Jayden Smith family did something to him. And you know make it hurt too. A woman never give up in pitney like that. She a fight for her pitney and the courts place the little girl in the grandmother care guardian. And now look what happened now when the woman go down a police station to go talk and ask something about him pitney. You understand? You know then they might deal with the woman one way. Even if you tell the woman say you cannot give her no information, but you don't have to do it so because guess what? When did we as a people like start kick with brother when they done? Where did we as a people like start like take joy for somebody pain? A mother come to your belly pain that me a mother too. A belly pain and look how no deal with the woman. No try to shut up the woman. Remember saying then got the police station to go ask question. And now you come and talk about a woman threaten police. No woman not threaten no police for life. He's not a police, he's a distraction.
Internet problem. Hello?
Yeah,
we can hear you now.
Yeah. I don't know much about them. Tiger, are you hearing me?
We are here, you talk, we are listening, just mute and listen.
Hello?
Yeah, we are here you clear. String bean, we are here you.
Body just text and tell her to talk.
You not hear me? I think it's our internet.
Sometimes something they thought are the enemy too, because guess what? Even other day the woman come, remember saying enough people that come talk. I not just know Elena talk about it. I was there when he just start talk about it. And the sister come out and talk about not bring it on internet. Nobody got it so. Nobody got it so. Understand? You are telling woman to not got it so. I can't tell not got it so. But yes, still you are not supporting her. Shana no have. Shana don't have a good support system. The woman need help, brother. The woman need help. And she a cry out for help and justice. The woman want to know what happened to, and guess what? You don't want to keep autopsy. Shana, if you hear me, Shana, do everything you can in your power. Don't make them bury your baby girl. Don't make them bury your baby Shana. Because if them bury her Shana, it'll go hard for exhume body. It'll go hard because why them a push for get private autopsy? Why are they pushing? We know say money run things. Why are they pushing? Who are they hiding? The grandmother, you're wicked, your grandmama. Come on, can't tell you what to do with the woman picnic.